Hi guys, so this is the live swatch video that is for the polishes that came in Meebox January. This polish is by Zoya and it is called Lake and it is a green blue toned. A little bit sheer on the first coat, I will do a second. So the second colour is by Nailberry and it is simply called Stone. Amazing coverage, that is just one coat. The final polish of the box is by Cuccio and it's called Crush in Lake Como. I was expecting this one to be quite sheer, it's a very soft pink. Might even need 3 coats with this, but I'll see how it looks after a second.